Hey everyone, I'm Paul from Canadian Woodworks and Legacy Lumber. This video is just me filming stuff I do on a daily basis with my iPhone. Hope you enjoy it. Let us know. Alright, well, it's a beautiful day here. Yes. Actually, you know what? I don't usually get a cup of coffee down here, but I have two for breakfast. I do always check the vacuum kiln. This is the screen. It tells us the temperature. It tells us the vacuum setting. It tells us how long it's been heating for this cycle, and then it gives us the full time it's been heating for the entire cycle. I don't know if that made sense. I gotta make sure these needles are even. It's just glancing at it. The machine does it automatically, but I'm just always double checking. Back here is anything to do with the vacuum and the water being removed from the wood. This is a water chiller. This is a vacuum pump. Recently the vacuum pump broke, the one we had, so I got a new one. I had to do some steel fabrication here, new mounting points. It's turned this way now, so we're not using this this pipe that was with the old one. I need to remove that now, but instead we're using this poly tube that's shooting the water up into the reservoir. And then I'm using actually just plastic ABS piping. So that one turns on about 3 minutes after this one turns on. This one actually goes to a pipe that's at the floor of the kiln, and it pulls the water from the bottom of the kiln first. The water you're seeing, look, see all this water? That's not from the wood, although a very little bit is. The vacuum pump makes a seal using water. This is called a liquid ring vacuum pump. So this is a big reservoir of water, which goes to this, which then goes to the pump, and it's just sucking the water. There's no pressure being created by this. So it's sucking the water, using it inside here as a seal, and while it does that, it throws the water away. So it uses a little bit of water the whole time. Now, instead of just wasting water, we recycle the water. But two things happen. When this is running, this water actually gets warm. Vacuum pump doesn't like warm water. So this is a water chiller, which will maintain it at about 62 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit. So it actually doesn't turn on too often. The other thing that happens is it does get a little water from the wood in this water, and it makes it acidic. So I like to change this water out every few loads also. It looks like a disaster mess back here, but it's actually not. She's running great, and I'm just back here explaining to you how this thing runs. Got some questions? I bet you do. All right, I'm here with Andy.
Authentication.
We are trying to set up Bitcoin payments for our online store. That's pretty exciting through OpenNode. Check it out, look. There it is, see? All right, back at the vacuum pump. I actually had an air hose pop off, so that was the culprit. So I put a hose clamp on it. We're good to go now. Turn this back on. All right, now I need to figure this out. We're gonna laser cut these. These are 35 inch by 35 inch. And I just started drawing in my program. I have everything left to do. All right, well, it's a shame I'm on the computer. It is beautiful out here. Bring you over to show you the view. And there's our view. Winter is over with, which is awesome. We actually see turkeys all the time over in this field coming out of the forest. Yeah, back inside here, just double checking the kiln is working. And it is. So, all right, vacuum pump, that's good. Good news. Looks like my chiller's on. Yeah, so there's a big fan here, and it's got a radiator in there, a little thermostat, full of water. Hey buddy, what's going on? All right, we have it in the laser program. There she is. I'll give you a little preview. Kinda see it? Oh, there it is. What's crazy is that we're about 4 hours to cut this, 3 hours of actual light time. Water chiller is on. Wood's in there. We're good to go. Here we go. Start. If you know what this is, let us know in the comments. I was just cleaning off the dust.
Oh gosh.
Sure, Troy. I'll forward you this guy's number. Who's this guy? Who is it? Look at this. Look at this wood. Zach, if you're watching, this is your wood. Please get in touch. So check this out. You saw me on the computer earlier. This was the picture given. Our client wants these same things made, and here's one of them. That's the far left. Oh, let me go like this. There you go. That's the far left one. Looks pretty good. I gotta design the other two. Laser cut, and we're gonna put a little frame around it.
I've already parked it under a willow tree or something.
Bye, van. All right, there's always something going on here. We're at the wide belt sander. This belt either got loose or something happened, and there's air lines right here. Sorry, it's a bit dark, but see these green air lines? The belt rubbed the air lines, so it's broken. So we gotta take these air lines out and go figure out where to buy them. Well, this was just a short one for you. Let us know what you think. Everything was just filmed with the iPhone, which is basically in my pocket all day long. So as long as I remember, I can capture everything I do on a daily basis, which some days is not very much, I'll be honest, but some days is a whole lot of stuff. And check it out, it was a success. This is the piece that we laser engraved. Woo! So now we're gonna do the other couple designs. Let us know what you think about this style of video. Thanks everyone for watching. Don't forget, make it a great one.